Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa here, and today I have a layout for SpiegelMom Scraps, and I am playing along with the 30 Days of Sketches, and I believe the sketch for today was Sherry Stewart was the one who created it. I will, in the description box below, have a link to the 30 Days of Sketches as well as a link to the shop. You can use Vanessa15 if you do want to grab sequins. So I am working with the Capture Today, I believe is what they were called, sequin mix that was released this month. And I'm pairing that with some papers from the Harvest Market, I believe it was, Simple Stories collection. And so that's what you see me working on here. I do have a piece of pattern paper that has one of the mixed media backgrounds from Vicky Boutin. I'm going to use that for my background. And so I put some gold splatters on that paper, so I was just letting it dry, and I was building my background with my photos while it was drying. So once I had my background and my photos all matted and my pattern papers in place, I am going to start to build the background. I'm going to glue everything down off camera, but in keeping with the sketch, I am following the sketch with that band of papers and then my two photos. I did create a shaker pocket in a star with that Capture Today collection. I love how that looks, and because I'm scrapbooking sort of football related kind of photos, I figured a star definitely works with my boys in the photo. And so that is what I am scrapbooking. I am working with my title here as well. I wanted to figure out where I was placing my photos and everything on the layout first, because I am stamping my title, which I have already put season down on the page with some some little letter stickers. And then I have a football themed stamp set. I want to say this was from Studio Calico, and that had the word football. So I used some dress blue or something like that from Catherine Pooler, and I stamped my title. So there you see my title is down, and I have glued my background papers all together off camera. I kept the embellishment really, really simple with this. I really wanted that sequin shaker to be the main element on that first cluster, and so I just die cut some leaf elements from one of my dies. This is just an orange piece of pattern paper. I created those, and then I'm going to create the three clusters, the one up at the top that matches the sketch, and then I have another one that's going to go down here underneath my second photo. And really those leaves are going to be the main elements, apart from a little bit more stamping with that same stamp set. I have one that says Friday Night Lights, and that's going to go down there at the bottom. And then I have I can't remember what it says, something like Too Good or So Good or something like that is going to go up here at the top, which you see me stamping now. So I have a little bit of stamping, and then, like I said, those leaves, and then off to the side you can see I have just a little grouping of embellishments. I am going to go ahead here and add those embellishments to finish off my clusters. But again, I kept everything really, really simple, and I do lay everything out, and then I do glue everything down off camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and build out my little embellishment clusters, keeping it really simple. Once I had those in place, I really just come back in with some of these little sticky brads. I put one in each of my embellishment clusters, and then once I had those in place, I take just a few more of those Capture Today sequins, and I dotted those around in each of my embellishment clusters. It adds just the perfect little bit of sparkle. These sequins definitely match the papers that I was using perfectly, so I really love how well they coordinate. A lot of the mixes this month actually coordinate it really well with this Simple Stories collection, and they're all really great collections for any of your fall photos for sure. So once I get those last sequins down, that's going to do it. I will try to add this video to the playlist for 30 Days of Sketches. It will be listed down below as well. So be sure to check out how everyone else uses this wonderful sketch. And don't forget to go check out the shop and grab some of these beautiful sequins. And with that, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.